Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it.
Hey guys, it's Juvia. Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, hey there, and if you aren't new, welcome back. Come on in. So today I wanted to show you guys how I do my everyday makeup now. My makeup routine changes a lot, but I feel like I've really found a I feel like I've really found a routine that matches my face and fits my face good. And like I didn't even put on lashes today. Like she's a woman now, okay? So if you guys want to see how I got this really cute and really simple makeup look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm coming to you today with more of a get ready with me type video, just showing you my updated routine. I didn't know if I wanted to do like a full in-depth tutorial or just literally sit down and do my makeup with you guys. So I just sat down and did my makeup. Of course, you will see products pop up on the screen as I use them, and if you don't see them, be sure to check out the description box because you guys know I always leave all the products that I use as well as the shades and everything in the description box. And of course, I'm not going to go too in-depth with the brows today because I did just recently post a full in-depth updated brow tutorial as well. So I will link that up above in case you guys want to check that out as well. We've come to the end. Hope you enjoyed. As always, hope you learned a little bit of something from moi. And of course, if you did, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.
Bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it.